Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all network and internet related issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Go to system. Go down. Go to reset options. Go to reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap here. You can see this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. This operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete photos, videos, apps, anything. It just reset only the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Tap on this reset settings button. Again tap on reset settings. Done. Network settings have been reset. After this reset operation, you can go back and check your Wi-Fi and internet. That should work. So this way we can easily fix all network and internet related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.